Open the printer cover. Make sure there are no debris on the printing platform. Check the power plug and turn on the main power switch. Turn on the emergency switch. At the same time, the display screen enters the initialization interface and make the carriage moves normally. There are no abnormal sounds or lags. After the movement of the carriage is completed, it will enter the standby interface. Check whether there is enough ink in the ink tank. Shake the ink before pouring to prevent sedimentation. Pour ink into the ink tank and be careful not to tighten the ink tank cap too tightly. Adjust white ink circulation switch to the 30% to 50% range.